This is one of the many apps in the World app that I keep tapping. The coins I tap reach millions and millions while waiting for them to announce the end of Season 2. And when the end of Season 2 of Humantap finally came, as soon as you opened the app, you saw that you needed to collect coins all over again. They also added a boosting feature where you have to pay to earn coins faster. But before Season 2 ended, they introduced something called the Humantap bonus. All you need to do is download it, and it actually legit because I was able to claim rewards from it as mobile load. It just depends on where you choose to claim your reward. Here, when you tap this, you'll see the weekly rewards and your current rank. You can also see the reward you can get depending on your rank. This is where you can enter our referral code. When we add a referral code, we can also receive rewards here. So if you have not entered one yet, you can use my code and the add referrer section so we can both benefit. And if you want to send your invitation code, just tap the send code button. Here, when you tap the Season 2 results section, it says tallying final scores Season 2 results will be published here. Check box on. Just tap this button so you'll be notified when the results are released. This is where the new coins being collected here. The question is, where did all the coins we previously earned from the tapping and Humantap go?
So it had no value at all.